Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to showing that how to use Gmail without internet. And all of them will know that while using our Gmail we need a internet connection or a internet access. And so today in this video here I am going to showing that how to use Gmail without internet. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And at first you need to open any web browser in your PC. And in this video here I am using my Google. And after that in the Google you can also search your Gmail from here, or otherwise you can also find our Gmail in our Google interface. And in this top of this our Google you can see option Gmail, and just tap this Gmail option from here. And now you can see our Gmail has been appeared here, and after in the Gmail you can see option settings, and just tap this settings option from here. And after that just go to see all settings, and after that you can see more of the settings are here in our Gmail. And after in the side of this all the settings you can see option offline mode, and just tap this offline option from here. And after in this offline mode you can see option enable offline mail from here, and just enable this option from here. And after that now you can see storage, sync settings, security and etc. And after that at first you need to just enable these sync settings from here, and after that you want to just select one of the days from here, and the default is 13, or otherwise you can also set it from 7 days or 90 days. And here I am setting this in 30 days. And after in the below of the sync settings you can see option security, and this security you can see two of the options like this keep offline data on my computer. And if you enable this option in your Gmail you can keep all of your offline data in your PC when you have been logouting your Gmail account. And the second option is if you are removing your Google account from your Gmail, and after that your offline Gmails or if offline mails will be deleted automatically. And here I am selecting this remove offline data from my computer, and after that just select this save changes option from here. And after that you will appear a new pop-up message, and after that just click OK. And now you can see our Gmail has been restarted from here. And after that first of all we want to just bookmark our page from here, and just tap the star option from here. And after that just enter one of the name from here, and here I am typing this Gmail, and after that just select enter. And now you can see our Gmail has been bookmarked. And now let's check this option or this offline mode is working or not. And at first we need to disconnect all the connections from my computer, and here I am just turning off. And now you can see Wi-Fi has been turned off. And now just go back to our Google interface or Gmail, and after that just refresh our page. And now you can see our Gmail has been working. And after that now let's check if a email is sending in a offline or not. And at first here I am going to this compose option from here, and after that here I am selecting one of my friends' email. I have been composed one of the email from here, and after that just select the send option from here. And now you can see offline message will be sent later, and by using this method you can send any type of emails or Gmails without internet by using this method. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.